Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to square a number in Microsoft Excel. If we are working with calculations, formulas, or data analysis, this quick trick will make our work much easier. In Microsoft Excel, there are two ways to square a number. The first way is simple. All we have to do is click on an empty cell, type equals, and then click the cell we want to square. Here, the cell is A2. Then, we put the asterisk sign for multiplication, click the A2 cell again, and then press Enter. This computes the equation, so the formula looks like equals A 2 times A2. Press Enter. As we can see, the number is now squared. All we have to do is drag this down so that all of the numbers get squared as well. For the second way, we type equals, then select the A2 cell again, add the caret symbol, which is the up arrow key, and then type the number 2. Then press Enter. As we can see, we get the same result. Once we drag this down, it gives us the same output as the first way. These are two simple ways to square a number in Excel using basic formulas, and that's it. Now we know how to square a number in Microsoft Excel.